got 45 minutes, so I'm trying not to talk too much, but I do want to introduce you to my rhythm section really quickly here. To my left here, Mr. Dave Hathaway. Roll it up a little bit. Give it. Behind me here, on the drums, my man Daniel Peterson, everybody. Here's a song about seasonal depression.
I lost it the night that I bought it. This was back in 2000.
It's not about wallowing in your sorrows, though.
14, 15,
sad.
maybe 15, 14.
It's about taking a hint from nature's ability to die and come back to life in so many ways. Sometimes we gotta do a little bit of that ourselves, and that's okay. day.